Hey, Dan here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. So Oculus appears to be testing Android apps on the Oculus Quest, and well, we have more information about the new HTC event where they're gonna announce not one, but actually two major headsets, the HTC Vive Pro 2 and the HTC Vive Focus 3 Business Edition. And we even allegedly know the price and the release date, so well, let's get into it. Alright, here we are. So I want to start with the Oculus Store because apparently in a particular section of this store, Mystical, that is a fellow YouTuber, was able to find, thanks to a tip from his Discord channel, well, flat and regular Android applications under the developer name Android Apps for the Quest, with famous applications like TikTok, Spotify, Snapchat, my remote desktop like OneDrive, CNN, Among Us, and many more. Now, having personally access to previous apps, usually, well, I try to reproduce this and well, I wasn't able to see any Android apps in there. So well, right now these screenshots are the only thing we have. This is not a new thing though, because well, we're already able anyway to play and use Android apps, flat Android apps on the Oculus Quest, and it's something that you can do just by loading them on it and then open it in your TV application. So you're gonna have them on screen directly. And John Carmack, one of the creators of Oculus and the creator of Doom, of course, well, was really pushing Facebook to allow this to happen. Probably they never did it because it's not really the best thing ever to use these applications directly on a big screen in front of you, but this seems like Facebook changed their mind and probably is going to be implemented in a different way. Maybe it would be very nice to have something stuck to your controller and have like a little phone that you can bring around with your application. I'm not sure if the Snapdragon XR2 is powerful enough to run a game and also a little phone with an application on it, but that would be absolutely sick. It's actually something that I do a lot using PC VR and absolutely fantastic. You're in game and stuff, you need to respond to a call or something like that. It's possible. But yeah, that's completely another story. I'm gonna leave the video over here on the description below if you wanna check it out. But yeah, all of this is absolutely super interesting. It's not that weird anyway, because I don't know if you know, but the Oculus Quest and the Oculus Quest 2 run on the particular version of Android anyway, so that's why we do all this stuff like side loading and stuff like that you can do also with your phone. And so it's not weird that they are starting to implement it there and that they are running. What is weird that they're probably creating a new app store completely separate from the Google App Store, like the Play Store and something like that, and it's going to be directly from Facebook. So probably they saw that many people are using it and they want to get a revenue also from that, like they're using and doing with App Lab, for example, and their own store with the VR applications. Hopefully though, there's a separation so people know this is a flat application, this is like a VR application, and they can just understand a bit better, because that might create a bit of confusion is everything if it's in the same list. But yeah, are you interested anyway to have Android apps directly on the Oculus Quest 2 or the Oculus Quest? Is something that you are using already? Did you find yourself needed to like import an app or sideload an app to actually use it? I did at the beginning, but then I wasn't using it that much. Using a phone is just better, but possibilities there. Would you use it? Let me know. Oh, by the way, talking about new application from the Oculus Quest, did you guys try Demeo? It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. I had different run with friends. Keston Cherry made an amazing video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And also GT, we're playing all together. I don't usually talk much about VR games, but yeah, that is amazing. You gotta try it. But let's get to the second big story. By the way, this is one from HTC, because allegedly we don't have just the one single headset. That is one that we saw in different teas and stuff like that, but we're gonna have also a second headset. It's gonna be an evolution of the HTC Vive Pro, the HTC Vive Pro 2. And the interesting thing, we had the report directly from Protocol. They found them listed in a European e-commerce website, Alza Shop. Now take these prices with a grain of salt, because they might be just placeholders. Also the price seems like more a conversion than their real price, but heck if they're high. So the Vive Focus 3, the business edition, the one that we saw all the tease about it, that is going to be a standalone headset, because of course it's the next generation of the Focus line. It's going to go for around, be ready for it, 1,474 euro or 1,771 US dollars. Ooh. And the Vive Pro 2 that we know nothing about it is going to go for 842 euro or $1,012. this stuff takes out your smile completely. But yeah, so they're also gonna be released on May 20th, so very soon after a May 11th, May 12th event. Now again, I said in my previous video to put your expectations down a lot because of course here we are talking about a business edition, business stuff, so the price is gonna skyrocket. It's not gonna really compete with the Oculus Quest. I was expecting something like $700, $800 for the standalone headset. Instead, like this $1,400 is something that I wasn't expecting, but let me know. With HTC, you always have to expect everything. Again, these are prices that popped out of nowhere, so probably it's not the moment to sound alarms and something like that, but yeah. Those are expensive. It's actually very nice to see something that you're working on, that is the Vive Pro 2. The Vive Pro lineup is kind of old right now. It has a lot of accessories like the eye tracking and the face tracking that are super interesting, but we don't have an update for many years. But I'm pretty sure they're not gonna bring a new design. Usually when they have new designs, they feature them right away because they want to create some momentum. That's what they're doing, for example, with the Focus 3. Instead, here with the Vive Pro, we didn't see anything, so probably it's gonna be just an internal refresh. Still gonna use the lighthouses. I wonder if they're gonna be included in the $999 cost anyway. So it's gonna put that in line with the Vive Index, but I kind of expect like a better screen with higher resolution, maybe 4K displays, and yeah, pretty much it. Maybe more a refresh than a complete redesign. Now I'm super interested in that, by the way. $999 if it includes everything, like with the controllers. Hopefully they have new controllers because the Vive ones are kind of old right now. Might be interesting. The Valve Index says the price is doing very well. But well, we will have to see. If you have any particular expectation or crazy theories and stuff like that, let me know in the comment below so we see what anyone think about the Vive Pro 2. That would be interesting. I think it's going to be an interesting device, and probably it's going to be less business oriented than the Focus 3 that seems absolutely out of place right now for that price we have. But anyway guys, these were the stories. I think that is super interesting about these Android apps on the Oculus Quest 2, and it's super interesting to see even another HTC headset. Hopefully those prices are not real because it's gonna be kind of brutal to bring them to the market like that. But yeah, business and stuff, usually they use the reason to just, you know, throw it out and say, okay, buy it, it's for business, it's not for regular people. But of course they also want regular people like us to buy it, so it's a kind of weird situation. But anyway guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment below, and as always, if you liked the video, like, if you didn't like this, dislike, subscribe to the channel for more VR tech, and if you really love the channel, the join button on there, little down further, also the Patreon that really supports the channel over here. And at the same time, we have t-shirt, sticker, and mask 2021 item number 1. Again, it's all. Have a great weekend. I see you guys very soon. Like to say, subscribe. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching.